In this video, we will discuss problem related to electrostatics. Let us read the question first. 2 point-like charges A and B, whose magnitudes are same, are positioned at a certain distance from each other. A is at origin. Graph is drawn between electric field strength and distance x from A. A is taken positive if it is along the line joining from A to B. And now along with the graph, 4 options are given. So basically we have to determine the polarity of both the charges. So we will use the fact that field due to a positive charge is along radially outward direction, while field due to a negative charge is along radially inward direction. Now suppose we have a positive charge which is placed along x-axis. Let us say we have a positive charge plus q which is placed on x-axis. This is positive x-axis and this direction is along negative x-axis. Now let us say an observer is placed near to charge q towards right of the charge. Now in this case, the person will experience a field equal to kq by r square. Let us now see what happens if person stands very close to this charge. The value of r will be very small and hence the field due to this charge will be dominating in nature, or we can say that this field will have a very large magnitude. So we can always conclude that when we are near a charged particle, its field is always dominating in nature as compared to field of other charges. Let us now check the direction for this given field. When the person is towards right, this field is along positive x direction. So we can say that this field is directed towards positive x. But if person is towards left of this charge, this field will be directed towards negative x axis. Similarly, the direction of field lines for negative charge is shown. So if a point lies towards the left of this charge, field will be along positive x, and if the point lies to the right of this charge minus q, the field will be pointed towards negative x direction. Now let us interpret the graph given in the question. According to the graph, the field at a point which lies just to the right of point A is positive in nature. So we can say that the field at a point which is near to point A or charge A is along positive x direction. So we can directly conclude that since field due to charge A should be dominating in the proximity of this charge, we can directly conclude this charge should have positive sign. So we can say that the polarity of charge A is positive. Similarly, in the proximity of point B or charge B, we know that field due to charge B should be dominating, and this field is again positive in value. So we can say that towards the left of point B, the direction of field is again towards positive x-axis, and this is only possible if charge B is negative. So we can say that the polarity of charge B should be negative. Though it is not at all necessary for both the charges to have equal magnitudes, we can just compare the signs of both the charges. So we can say that charge A is positive and B is negative.